Cell reference, absolute, mixed and relative. In Excel, a cell is rectangular shaped. It is an intersection of a column and a row. Cell pointer is positioned in a cell. It shows the location of the cursor. We can move this cursor pointer to any part of the sheet. Example, we can see cell, it is rectangular shaped. It is a combination of column name and a row number. Example, A1, B1, C1, etc. By default, Excel uses relative references. Two other references are absolute reference and mixed reference. Absolute cell reference means the cell does not change when it is moved or copied into other cell. Row and column are made constant. In this reference, the cell address contains a $sign. We can make a cell reference as absolute by pressing function key F4 while typing. Here given an example. Some customers deposit in a bank and their various interest rate for the following 3 years. Here absolute reference is used for interest calculations. You can see here interest is constant for a year, so interest is set under absolute cell reference. Here interest is set as constant, so it is under absolute cell reference. See each calculations. Example, we can say B4 into C3. C3 means the interest. In column and row, we can see the $sign. The next one, 6,000 interest. We can see C3. The next one, we can say interest is C3. Now I am removing these calculations and show you how to do this. Press delete. It is deleted. Give an equal sign. Then click on the deposit. Then multiplication symbol. Then interest percentage. Here 8. We can see in formula bar C3. Then press function key F4. Okay. Dollar symbols is added to column C3. Then finding the percentage amount, give a percentage sign. Enter. Okay, it is calculated. We can see here the calculation in formula bar. Then I am copying this formula into down. Okay, it is calculated. The same way we can calculate the second column and the third column. Here given another example showing a sample sales report. Here the products tax is given here 12%. Their quantity, their price, their tax amount, then the total is given Here the absolute reference is given in tax amount. Just go to that cell. We can see in formula bar cell reference is given in tax percentage. D4 means the price into cell number E2. E2 means the tax percentage 12. It is set as absolute cell reference. Then it is copied into below. So we got all tax amounts. Then the calculations given in total. We can see D4 plus E4, it is grouped with the bracket. Price plus tax amount, it is grouped into the quantity number. Then it is copied. This formula is copied into below. Then all calculations are done. Lab assignment, a sample data, deposit and their interest. These deposits interest percentage is different in this year, these 3 years. From these details, calculate interest value of deposits in each year. The interest percentage is different. Second assignment, a sample sales report. Tax percentage is given, it is fixed for all products. It is to be calculated. Calculate the tax amount of each product. A sample data of sales order. Their order details in different month and their commission percentage. From these details, calculate the commission amount. The commission percentage is different.